Hello my friends, welcome back to the kitchen. So today we have our newest incarnation of the Stay Cool smoothie with cucumber, cantaloupe, cactus water, mint, and some non-alcohol vanilla extract. Of course it's all organic. Let's put it into put the cactus water into the pitcher, and special ingredient, cantaloupe seeds. We're going to talk about those in a moment as well. And then we'll put it all in Vitamix. A little vanilla. Hold on to your hat. Okay, that should do the trick. I let it grind longer and on higher power than usual because of the cantaloupe seeds. But here's the thing. The benefits in the seeds, we're getting amino acids and we're getting omega-3 fatty acids, specifically alpha-linolenic acid. Now, let's see. Oh, man, this smells good. Let's give this a try and we'll talk. So we have natural energizing fruit sugars in here. We've got potassium, we've got magnesium, we've got all of our electrolytes, a little bit of sodium. We have beta carotene. We have a whole host of B vitamins, B1, B2, B3, folate, pantothenic acid. We've got, I mentioned the carotenoids. We've got chlorophyll. We've got the volatile digestive oils in the mint leaves. We have the aminos and the fatty acids in the cantaloupe seeds. We have liver cleansing compounds in the vanilla, in the cantaloupe, in the cucumber seed, and in the mint leaf. And of course, this will help your body to stay cool through the hydration process in the organic waters, and also through the promotion of diaphoresis and diuresis. So cleansing through the bladder and through the sweat glands. That will help us to stay nice and cool. We're a few days away from summer, so this is really great on those hot, humid days or on those hot, arid days, depending on where you are and what your humidity levels are like. Let's give this a try. Oh yeah, this is good. This is really good. Okay. Cucumber, cantaloupe, cactus water, nopal cactus water, mint leaf, non-alcohol vanilla extract. Everything organic, everything good for you. Oh, and did I say, and if I didn't, I will say it, and if I did, I'll say it again. The seeds from the cantaloupe and adding in the cucumber and the mint leaf will help lower the glycemic load. Cantaloupe is great, but it's a little bit sweet, and for some people who are sensitive to fruit sugars, adding in more cucumber, this is a half cantaloupe and a half cucumber. You could add a quarter of a cantaloupe and a whole cucumber if you want. That will lower that glycemic level for you. Okay, stay cool, enjoy in good health. Check in on your friends, check in on your neighbors. The weather is hot. We have to make sure those around us are doing okay. And I look forward to seeing you soon back here in the kitchen. Welcome to all of our friends at Hudson Healing Arts. This is going on to our summer newsletter, hudsonhealingarts.com. And love you all. See you soon. Good health.